What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and this year I did something different than I normally would. Normally, I would upgrade my phone and jump straight to the iPhone Pro lineup, grabbing the biggest, most powerful iPhone because, I use it for literally everything, including filming some of the videos that you see here on my channel. That all changed when Apple announced the iPhone Air. Something about this phone just called my name. The idea of having a phone that's not only powerful, but also incredibly thin, light, and just simply beautiful caught my attention. Instead of lugging around a heavy Pro Max, I wanted to see what life with the Air could be like. And let me tell you, once you hold one of these phones in your hands, you're gonna know exactly what I mean when I say the in-hand experience of the Air is very refreshing. Of course though, no iPhone is complete without some great accessories. And since the Air is all about keeping things thin, light, and minimal, I put together a list of my top 5 essential iPhone Air accessories that complement this beautiful design very well without adding much extra bulk. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. First up, we have the Ambison matte glass screen protector. Now, I know screen protectors aren't the most exciting thing in the world, but trust me, this one is perfect for the iPhone Air. Just put your phone in the installation tray, pull the tab, iron out any air bubbles if needed, and you're good to go. Not only does it keep your display safe from scratches and cracks, but the matte finish cuts down on glare, reflections, and fingerprints. When you're outside, the screen stays more readable, and it still feels super smooth when you're swiping around on the screen. Since Apple still has yet to release a nano texture glass iPhone, matte glass screen protectors are my go-to, and Ambison makes great ones that are excellent quality and super easy to install. Next is the Smartish MagSafe slim case. If you've ever tried Smartish before, you know that they make excellent cases that are both fun and protective, and this one really nails it for the Air. It's slim, lightweight, and it adds just enough grip without ruining that thin profile. Plus, it supports MagSafe, so you're not sacrificing functionality. I've actually tested a few different cases for the Air already before settling on this one. Honestly, it feels like the perfect middle ground between protection and keeping the Air feeling as good as it does without a case on. Number 3 is the Anker Nano Power Bank 5K. Since the iPhone Air is designed to be incredibly thin, battery capacity isn't going to be as large as the thicker Pro or Pro Max. That's where this tiny little lifesaver comes in. It snaps right onto the back of the Air and gives you more than enough juice to get through the day without carrying around a bulky charger. It charged my Air up from 17% to just over 90% from empty to full, which is very solid. The best part is that it's small enough to slip into your pocket and it feels great when you hold it in your hands. If you want something with more capacity, I recommend Anker's MagGo 10K power bank or their 25K laptop power bank. Both of these will keep you powered up for even longer, but do keep in mind that they are much bigger than the Nano. Coming in at number 4, we've got the Satechi MagSafe wallet stand. This is such a clever little accessory. Not only does it hold your essential cards so you don't have to carry around a full wallet, but it also folds out into a stand for your iPhone. Whether you're watching videos, hopping on a FaceTime call, or just setting it down on the table, this accessory pulls double duty and it works really well at it. Like everything else on this list, it's super slim and it doesn't add much weight at all. This was one of my favorite accessories for my 16 Pro Max, and it pairs very nice with the Air as well. And lastly, this one was tough for me to decide on because there are so many good options out there, so let's make this a wild card and I'll just list off some ideas. One was the Lucky More wireless CarPlay adapter, which gives older cars like mine the ability to have wireless CarPlay. Every time I get in my car, CarPlay is up and on within seconds. Another idea that I had was the AirPods Pro 3. These need no explanation. If you're looking for some great sounding buds with excellent active noise cancellation that pair perfectly with the iPhone, these are definitely going to be them. There's also the Apple Watch Ultra 3, which is another excellent addition to pair with the Air. And my final thought were screen cleaning wipes to keep your screen clean and in tip-top shape. I am a big fan of these pre-packed ones. I literally use them to keep all of my devices clean. So those, my friends, are my top 5 iPhone Air essential accessories. All of these accessories keep the phone protected, powered, and practical without adding bulk that takes away from what makes the Air so special. Honestly, using this phone with these accessories has been such a refreshing change compared to my usual Pro Max setup, and I am very excited to keep sharing more of my experience with this phone. I'll have plenty more update videos of how life is going with the iPhone Air over the coming weeks, so be sure to stay tuned for that. So that's all I got, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I want to know, what are your go-to iPhone accessories? Any of these on this list? Drop a comment and let me know below. And if you enjoyed this video, you know the drill. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for much more coming your way soon. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!